We're doing a timing belt on this Toyota right here. All right, guys, so I got this company called Olsa Tools sent me out these extensions and swivels. And the cool part about these is that these lock up with this little locking mechanism, so they'll never fall down like this. Here's a regular extension. Oops. Good thing about them is that they're impact. Same thing as the swivels, pretty good. Perfect example right here where we need a small impact and the swivel. Take it out like nothing. Same thing right here. Now on the kit that they sent me, it came with a 3, a 6, and a 12-inch extension along with the swivels. Been using them for about a week. I really like them. Here is the other ones that are super expensive, and it's basically the same thing, to be honest. It all comes down to this locking mechanism right here and right here. And this is an unbiased review. I was not paid to say anything good about them, but to be honest, I really like them. They're affordable and not too cheap, and overall good quality, to be honest.